Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Canva design into a PowerPoint presentation. First, open your browser and head over to Canva. Search for any slide design you like. And once you find the perfect one, open it. You'll see the magic of Canva's design in action. Now, let's export it to PowerPoint. Go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the menu, select Microsoft PowerPoint. Next, choose the slides you want to export. If you want all the slides, just select All Pages and click Done. Once that's done, hit the Download button and wait for a moment while Canva prepares your file. After the download is complete, open it in PowerPoint. You'll see your presentation perfectly converted, with all the slides looking great. You can easily customize the text and images if needed to make the presentation your own. There's also another way to export your Canva slides. Again, click Share, then select Download. This time, choose PPTX as the file format. Select All Pages, click Download, and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Canva design into a PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.